Here are some easy upgrades to instantly glow up your gaming setup, without spending a fortune. First, hexagon wall lights. Super easy to mount, app controlled, and perfect for ambient glow behind your monitor. Next up, the 3D Thundercloud. This one adds a unique, dreamy atmosphere and syncs with music for dynamic lighting. A simple RGB desk light bar can balance the color in your room and reduce eye strain. A stand for your headset and controller helps keep your desk clean and actually makes the setup look more premium. The Xbox wireless controller is still one of the most comfortable options for gaming. Works great on both PC and console. And of course, the mini fridge. It's not necessary, but once you have it, you'll never go back. All product links are in the description. Upgrade one piece at a time, and build your setup at your pace.